boxes actually make packing things way less annoying. They measure 12 by 4 by 9, very nice size. Get a 15 pack. They have a clean, small business look, but the real win is that they're so easy to pop together and they make your packages feel way more legit. I'll show you how to do it. Okay. So all you need to do is you need to lay it out. Okay. Lay it out. So the square side is the bottom. The round side here is the top. So lay it out, turn in the flap like that, turn in the other flap, take the side and press that in and lock it. Take the other side, press it in and lock it. You could feel it going in. Give it a turn, put your stuff in, close it up. Then these flaps just go in the front and you are done. You've built yourself a very nice box and it took like 10 seconds. Why I like these? They feel like smart everyday boxes for shipping. They give your packages a very polished look. And if you want something simple, useful, pretty easy to put together, I highly recommend these. These are the 12 by 4 by 9, 15 pack. This review is sponsored by the brand.